So we're running off dedicated 20 amp circuit. It's running the magic heat and that light, and we're running the welder on 110 or 120 at 43 amps. And we're going off the sun right now. Not running the Jenny for these, but this is what we're making. We got one. I gotta paint it, but we got one done. The homebrew garage shop hooks, whatever you want to call it. I gotta drill holes, but I'm making 6 of them. Did the Harbor Freight pipe canker, which it's leaking hydraulic oil everywhere, so that's great. But yeah, this is the whole pile of extension cords. It's not even all of them, but it's gonna help with that. We get some organization here. We did, but yeah. So let's let her rip on this one. We'll get her half on this one. Little makeshift welding stand for now, so we get a good one built. But yeah, we're doing 3/32, 60/13, 1 pass per side. It's just holding, it's not holding anything crazy, but this is still way stronger than anything you'd buy. Been using this magnetic catch tray for the, so it doesn't end up all over the floor. It keeps it nice and neat. Running the bigger welding leads here. These are great. Oh, there she is, right there. Put this piece of steel here, we were catching that piece of fur on fire here. Yeah, there she is right there. I didn't get all the slag off, but more to go.